Hello, welcome back. This is Gabriel, and in this video we are going to be looking at the and or conjunctive operators. The SQL and or conjunctive operators are used to combine multiple conditions to narrow data in an SQL statement. So these two operators are called as the conjunctive operators. The first one we are going to be looking at is the AND operator. The AND operator allows the existence of multiple conditions and SQL statements where clause. Now, last video we saw the where clause and how it works. How can we select statements in an SQL database using the where clause? So in this our example, we are going to be using the AND operator. So here in our case, we are using the department of employees. So we are going to use the employees table. We'll be working on the employees table. Let's take a simple example. Select what are we having? Let's the columns. We have first name, last name, age, and salary. So what we are going to look at here, we are going to look at the select let's say first name, select first name, comma, salary from employee, where we now give where salary is greater than 20,000 and age is less than, or let's say age is less than 30. So if we do that and we press enter, we see that all the salary is above 20,000. That means we get the values. Here we don't have any salary which is 20,000. So when you say greater than, it means it's strictly greater than. So salary will start from 20,001. So 20,000 is not going to be seen on the table. Same thing with the age. The age is going to be from that is from 29 downwards. Salary will be from 20,001 upwards. That's why we don't have 20,000 here, and we don't also have the age. Let's select the age so we can see it as well. So we're going to select first name, salary, age, and salary from employees, where that. So we see that here on the age column we also have from 26 downwards, right up to 20. We don't have above that. We have 29. We don't have 30. But if you give a statement as less than or equal to 30 and greater than or equals to 20, you will see that the equal sign should be here. I think so. This one should be this, and this one should be this. Okay, good. So you will see that we have salaries of 20,000. We should have 20,000. Yeah, we have 20,000 here, whereas we didn't have it when we were working with strictly greater than. So we also have the age. Let's see this age 30. Okay, we also have age of 30, which shows that. So we start from 30 downwards, and salary also start from 20 down upwards. So we are going to have salary of 20,000, and then we have 20,001 right up to the maximum salary. So this is just a basic way in which you can look at or you can work with the AND operator. So you can add multiple AND operators. So let's look at the statement of OR operators. How does OR work? So when you say this and the salary and the age, it means both are going to be displayed. But if we're using the statement OR, there is different. That means is either this or this, or where salary is this or age is this. If you press that, we are going to see. So for us to look at to see the difference, for us to see the difference, let's give the same statement, and then we say or let's see, or let's see what we have here. Or the age is less than 21. You see, or age is strictly less than 21, or age strictly less than 21. Press enter, you are going to see that. So it is either or. So if it's either greater than less than 30 or less than 21, let's give it greater than 21. 30 or age greater than, strictly greater than 40. Let's see what we have. We can go to have 40. We have 40. We have 40. Yes, we have 40. So it is showing that in this case we have is salaries, employees, and those who have salary greater than 20,000, and those who have age less than or equals to 30. So we are going to have 23. You see the minimum here is 21. You have 20 of age, right? Minimum is 20, and who age are also above 40. So in this case, if we look at this select statement, select star from employee, so we can see the maximum age that is available there. So the maximum there is 40. Or we see, so it's that that's the reason why we have 40 displayed. So it's strictly is above 40. So that's how you can actually use the and the or operator. You can add the or as many as you want, as well as a number of columns. So that's just how it works. If you have any questions, you can just comment below this video, or you can message me on my WhatsApp number, which is +91 8095818147. You can call me directly if you're in Cameroon for more details. If you want these videos directly given to you using your pen drive, you can just give me a call. I will meet you and I'll give you a video so you can learn directly using your desktop. Please donate in our mobile money number if in case you want to support us, so we can put this website online so that you can get access to the videos whenever you want. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Remember, my name is Gabriel, and my name is Gabriel. Thank you. See you in the next video.